12 July. Good morning. You are listening Prakriti Gupta, your news anchor from Love Afra Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news from around the world. Coronavirus Australia news as it happened. National Cabinet cuts international flights by half in a bid to contain COVID-19 spread. Prime Minister Scott Morrison says inbound flights to Australia will be cut by half and return travellers will be required to pay for mandatory hotel quarantine in a bid to contain the spread of coronavirus, while Victorians get new advice on wearing the face mask. Delhi's latest update. In light of the major disruptions caused by coronavirus pandemic, the Delhi government has decided to cancel all the Delhi State University exams, including final exams, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said on Saturday. AIIMS Delhi junior doctor dies by suicide by jumping off 10th floor of the hospital. A junior doctor at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences died by suicide by jumping off 10th floor of the hospital on Friday evening. As per the administration, the 25-year-old junior doctor, identified as Anurag Kumar, was shifted to AIIMS casually but succumbed to his injuries later. The incident took place at around 5 pm. Kumar was a junior resident doctor in the Psychiatry Department of the AIIMS Delhi. Preliminary reports revealed that the junior doctor jumped off the 10th floor of the AIIMS Hostel 18. His mobile phone was recovered from the rooftop of his hospital. According to the sources, the doctor was suffering from depression. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh coronavirus July 10 updates. Two states with highest growth rate. The number of cases in Telangana crossed the 30,000 mark as 1,410 new cases were reported Thursday. In Andhra, 1,555 fresh cases were discovered, taking the state's total figure to 23,814. The number of COVID-19 cases in the state of Telangana crossed the 30,000 mark as 1,410 new cases were reported Thursday. There are 12,423 patients being treated for the disease, while 18,192 have been discharged. At least 331 people have succumbed to the virus. On the total cases, 918 have been reported from Hyderabad. Uttar Pradesh lockdown news update. The caseload in UP has been rising steadily. The government wants to utilize these 2 days to sanitize the hotspot premises such as mandis and offices, as well as push ahead with its statewide screening program. Uttar Pradesh, which had been praised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for successfully controlling the spread of the novel coronavirus despite its large size and population of 24 crore, unexpectedly announced fresh restrictions, which will be in the place for 55 hours beginning 10 pm on Friday, July 10. The government's order announcing the curb said the decision had been taken after a review of the present situation of the COVID-19 and other communicable diseases. Coronavirus July 10 updates. Triple lockdown in Thiruvananthapuram extended by another week. Of the 416 infected, 123 people had come from abroad and 51 from other states. Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan told reporters in Thiruvananthapuram after the daily COVID-19 evaluation meeting. Kerala COVID-19 tally is inching towards the 7,000 mark with 416 people testing positive on Friday, in the highest single day spike of the infection so far, as Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan warned that the situation was becoming alarming. So, this is all about today. I, Prakriti Gupta, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.